Welcome back, student. Today, let's start a new chapter. Chapter number 3, A Minor Bird. Students, this is a poem. We will read in this poem man's behavior towards the nature. The word minor. The word minor shows the insignificance with which man regards nature. So let's begin the poem. I have wished a bird would fly away and not sing by my house all day. I have clapped my hands at him from the door when it seemed as if I could bear no more. The fault must partly have been in me. The bird was not to blame for his key. And of course, there must be something wrong in wanting to silence any song. This is the poem written by Robert Frost. Let's recall it once more. I have wished a bird would fly away and not sing by my house all day. I have clapped my hands at him from the door when it seemed as if I could not bear no more. When it seemed as if I could bear no more. The fault must partly have been in me. The bird was not to blame for his key, that means his habit, the habit to him given by the God. And of course, there must be something wrong in wanting to silence any song. Now, student, I have wished a bird would fly away and not to sing by my house all day. These two sentences means that there was a bird. It always sat on the house of the poet and used to sing, but which irritated the poet. The singing of the bird irritated the poet, and so he chased the bird away. That means he clapped his hand and it irritated the birds irritated the poet by singing. I have clapped my hands at him from the door. The sentence I have clapped my hands at him from the door, that means he clapped his hand. He clapped his hand to chase away the bird. To chase away the bird. When it seemed as if I could bear no more. That means when the poet start feeling that I could not bear it anymore. I cannot tolerate it anymore. So what he did? He clapped his hand to chase away the bird. The fault must partly have been in me. Now see the sentence, student. The fault must partly have been in me means that now that in this sentence the poet is realizing his mistake. The bird was not to blame for his key. Now see the word not to blame for his key means that the habit or it was his gift, it was the bird's gift given by the God to sing. It is the nature of the bird to sing, but it is my mistake or my fault that I could not bear it I could not enjoy the beauty of the nature. And of course there must be something wrong in wanting to silence any song. And now the poet apologized here and he realized his mistake, that it is wrong that the human being is not tolerating the nature, or the human beings is showing inability to tolerate the nature. Now let's listen listen the small summary that I am discussing with you all based on this poem. Do you know the meaning of minor, student? Minor means small thing. It is not to measure. Minor means small. Shows the insignificance. The word minor shows the insignificance with which man regards nature. The speaker begins with the thought that he wishes the bird will fly away. The constant singing all day seems to really bother the speaker. That means he was feeling very irritated. The speaker was feeling very irritated. That means who is the speaker here? The poet is the speaker here. And by listening the bird's song, he is feeling irritated. The speaker had even tried to drive the bird away with the sound of clapping hands. That means here in this sentence I have clapped my hands at him from the door when it seemed as if I could not bear no more. That means when he feels that he cannot bear or he cannot tolerate the singing sound of the bird. So what he did? He just clapped his hand and he tried to drive away the bird. At one point, the speaker realized the bird singing was not like fault of the bird. Instead, it was the fault of the speaker. That means, student, the fault must partly have been in me. This sentence says that at point, the speaker realizes the bird singing was not the fault of the bird because it was the nature given by the God. It was God's gift to the bird to sing. So it was not its fault. It is the nature of the bird to sing. Instead, it was the fault of the speaker because he was showing his inability to tolerate the bird's song. Now, closing the poem, the speaker recognized that fact there is really something wrong with the poet, realizing that it was the fault lies in him and not in nature desire to do what it was put on the earth to do. That means, students, see, and of course there must be something wrong in wanting to silence any song. Now this two sentence conveys the message that it was the nature's desire, whatever the every creature is doing on the earth, or whatever is their body language, or whatever they speak or they do, or whatever habit they have, whatever habit they adopted, that is the gift given by the God to that creature on the earth. So here the poet is realizing that it is his mistake or it is something wrong to him that he cannot bear it or he cannot tolerate it. Now the bird's song and the bird's song, here the poet realizes that it was his fault lies in him. That was he in the sentence that he is realizing his mistake, that it was his fault lies in him and not in the nature's desire. That means not in the bird's song to do what it was put on the earth to do. That means the God had made the bird on the earth to sing, and so he has given the birds the sweet voice. The poet conveys the message that mankind's desire to control the nature, or this poem is all about the modern human, especially those who find difficult to enjoy the beauty of nature. The poet reveals a small incident and the poet reaction to it. That means the incident, what happened, the bird was singing and poet cannot tolerate it. The poet could not tolerate it, and what he did, he clapped his hand to chase away the bird. So this was the small incident. The reaction is against an action of the nature. That means the poet was not enjoying the beauty of the nature. Instead he was irritated by the bird's song. So this is the important message through this poem given to the human beings, that to enjoy the nature or tolerate it, not to disturb or try to destroy it. Welcome back, student. Do you remember this poem? Let's recall it once more. The poem is written, A Minor Bird Poet is written by Robert Frost, and the poem conveys the message that the poem shows the inability of human beings to enjoy the beauty of the nature or to tolerate the beauty of the nature. Now, in my earlier video, I have discussed with you all about the poem. I have explained the poem. Now, in this video, let's discuss about the book work of this chapter. Now, see, these are the two word meaning of this chapter. Student, these are the word meaning of this chapter. That means first word is minor. Minor means small, not major. Minor means small. And key, musical notes, the bird's song. The word key used in the poem means musical notes or the bird's song. Now let's discuss about the tick the correct option of this chapter. Now the first tick the correct option is the poem is about a bird, car, plane. The correct answer is bird. The poem is about a bird. The bird used to sing whole day. Yes, that's why the poet was irritated, because the bird used to sit on the poet's house and used to sing all day long. So this makes the poet irritated. The bird used to sing whole day. The poet wants the bird to fly away. Yes, because he could not bear the bird's song, so he wanted to fly away the birds. The poet wants the bird to fly away. The bird used to sing by the poet's house. Yes, the bird used to sit on the poet's house and sing. The bird used to sing by the poet's house. The poet wants to have silence, because he could not tolerate or he could not bear the bird's song, so he wants silence. So the first one is the poem is all about a bird. The bird used to sing whole day. The poet wants the bird to fly away. The bird used to sing by the poet's house. The poet wants to have silence. Now let's discuss about the rhyming word of this poem. Now can you see question number B, give the rhyming word for the following. The first word is away and the word similar to it is day. The rhyming for this word is day. Me, key, door, more, song, wrong. Now let's discuss about the question answer of this chapter. Sorry student, question answer we will discuss in my next video. That means I will discuss the question answer in my next video. Now for today's homework is, you all have the homework to make sentences using the following words. That means can you see the word clearly? Yes, it is clearly visible students. Now see, the first one word is wish, second is clap, third beer, fourth fault, fifth blame, sixth key, seventh silence, eighth house. That means from these all words you all have to frame the sentences of your own. So imagine yourself and make the sentences. In my next video, we will discuss about the question answer and word meaning and introduction of this chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.